All right, I'm here with MC from Emotion Systems, and let's talk about audio. So give me an overview of kind of what Emotion Systems does. All right, real quick, you're watching Video Brand. Special thanks to our sponsors for helping make this NAB coverage possible. We got Metricool, Massive, OpenReel, Vestigit, and Adspective. All right, now back to the video.
So Emotion Systems is in the business of providing audio processing when you need to deliver content to various customers. So if you make a program and you need to distribute it around the world, what we do is we give you a series of automated processes that allow you to deliver that content in a specification and layout that the customer expects. A typical example is every country, including this one, has a loudness specification, and the content isn't always mixed for that. Sadly, the specs are different for every country, so even if you mix for one, you then have to process it to deliver to another country. We have a series of modules that allow you to do that. This NAB, we are launching a new Upmix, Downmix module, which we call an immersive mix. And the idea is that if you have live content where you have an Atmos event for sports, for example, if you're cutting to commercials or promos, that is generally mixed in stereo. So it would be really nice if that was available as an immersive experience. So we have some technology that allows you to do the upmix as required. The other area where they use that is if you have a movie catalog which is older than a few years, then you need to do the same if you want to offer it in Atmos.
So you could take a stereo mix and then turn it into something that's an immersive audio mix.
That's correct, yeah. Typical example is if you have a car with multi-speaker audio, you're still playing stereo, but it gives you a much fuller, richer sound. And that's the experience we're trying to deliver.
Okay. And what are we looking at here?
So this is EVE. This is the emotion verification engine. And what we're doing here is we have the ability to show you pictures and the audio waveforms in a file. And the audio waveforms allow you to very quickly verify whether you have stereo or 5.1. And you can also listen to them. There's a lot of players that focus more on video. What we've done is we allowed you to verify the audio content in a file.
You got a whole workflow process here, any other kind of
So
use
those
cases?
are the highlights.
Yeah.
But generally, whenever the content needs to be prepared, I could give you a couple of simple examples.
Yeah.
So say you have a content and you need for transmission to deliver stereo Dolby E, but the content you have is only got stereo and it's only got 2 channels. So what we would do is we would add 6 extra channels to it by reauthoring the file. We'd upmix the audio, we'd Dolby encode it, and then we would place that Dolby encode in stereo 2, for example, with the original in stereo 1, and then you'd do the replication of that into the other channels. So that would be a workflow. And we have customers who would process up to 10,000 hours a month. And they have many workflows. So in order to do that efficiently, you need to automate that process. So there is a REST API that your MAM system can call and say, for this file, apply this workflow.
Okay, so it has the API you can connect. You can be like, do some sort of processing to our file here and then send it back.
That's correct,
file,
yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, thanks so much, MC. Appreciate it.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. For more of our NAB coverage, be sure to check out the playlist right here and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next episode.